Yeah, you can actually introduce yourself, like you're so and so, you're animator, and how many years you've been in the industry, and how do you know about CAW, and what made you? Why do you wanted to join CAW, and what made you to join CAW?
My name is Murthy, and I'm a junior animator. I'm having just three to 3.5 years of experience as an animator. I worked on a few different TV series in India. So I stumbled upon CAW on a LinkedIn showreel. CAW posted its first showreel, I think, and I've seen this Pavan Naidu shot, the leopard shot, which actually climbs down the tree, and there is a point where that leopard actually catches the flesh which is about to fall from the tree. I've never seen like that. I've never seen any kind of student work like that. Like that was so that was so good. And also, yeah, there was another shot towards the end of the reel where a crocodile simply walks across the surface.
Yeah, that one. Yeah.
Yeah, those two shots made me join CAW because that sheer quality out of and the rig which is used in the first shot by Pawan is also a free rig. Like, I mean, many of us think that we need an extraordinary, super high quality rig to animate these high level of animation. But after looking at that, everything was no, everything in my brain was ticked wrong. Like we doesn't need so high quality rigs and all that kind of stuff. But yeah, that was a breaking point for me to get into CAW.
Sweet man, that's a really good one, Shashank. Thanks,
Yeah.
man. That's a really nice one. So Pawan Naidu shot and crocodile shot
Ankit,
inspired.
Ankit,
Ankit,
Ankit shot.
yeah, that's awesome, man.
Those two shots were my inspiration, really. Like Alok shot was too good, but for me to get into CW, the
Yeah, definitely, yeah.
inspirational point was Pavan Naidu shot and Ankit shot because Ankit shot was so simple. I mean, I agree with you and everyone, but the way the tail moves at the end,
Yeah,
like
the amount of details, yeah, that's
yeah,
gonna
that was
captivate.
insane.
I see that you are more inclined towards the details than the broad strokes. I can
Yes,
see that the little details you are talking
yeah,
about, the flesh
yeah,
dropping down and the tail
yeah.
details was something like that's why I really admire your shots also. Probably that's why you get along with more detailed shots. Like if you see elephant one, throws a simple behavior of elephant. That's one of the thing about I really like about your shot. Even the one you're doing bull, it's a simple shot but more into details, which is something really like I mean, like when I showed the reel, people really loved that bull close-up shot. They were like, we just keep the grayscale renders. They really liked it, and they're like, they can see the details on the whole creature. I'm like, that's good. So yeah, so you are dragged more into details then. That's nice.
Yeah, and I also more inclined towards the shorter versions of animation because of you've shown me your baby elephant animation which is around 4 to 5 seconds, and that was huge when you uploaded it to the LinkedIn. The amount of applaud you got and the amount of comment you got for the extraordinary detail of animation you had, that was like there were so many bulb on kind of moments for everyone in the CAW. Like you don't need a 10 to 15-second animation to impress or the recruiters or anyone, even to get satisfied with the amount of work you do.
Yes.
You don't need that lengthy shot, and the details matter the most. That was the thing I took away from CAW. Whatever you do, you do the best. Like you always say, even if you even if you learn to put a brick, learn to properly put it like no one else can do that in the world other than you. So I
Will Smith's line that
yeah, yeah,
Will Smith's line.
the Will Smith one, you always say that. Yeah,
I
so
like that one.
that
Yeah.
that inspires me a lot. And you are the one who's responsible. I mean, you're the one who motivated me to wake up at 4 o'clock in the morning. So I've I did that a lot. I mean, lately I was not doing it, but earlier, like I used to do that a lot because that boosted my productivity a lot.
Sweet man.
Yeah,
Thanks, Shashank. Really good stuff, man. Good to know
yeah,
that. Really, really good to know
yeah.
that. Yeah.
Yeah, by the
Thank you.
time it was 9 or 10, I already worked like 4 to 5 hours of animation,
And you
and
feel
after
good,
that I
right? The
need
whole
to,
day.
yeah, yeah, and after that I get some fresh eyes, look at it again. I can see, and yeah, the best part I need to tell you is earlier I used to send I used to upload it to the Sync Sketch, send it to you. Okay, he'll review now, and I'll get the review now. I can see at least few of the mistakes which actually I'm doing. I'm not saying that I don't need any instructor or any other mentor to guide me. That's never the thing. But I can see at least 50% of the mistakes which I'm actually doing when I'm observing it. So that's the best
No,
part.
that is the one of the best way to learn, become a good animator. Those are the really good qualities actually to makes you, separate from the animator to good animator. Self-critiquing your own animation, which is really powerful skill to have. That will never end. That's one of the thing, like always constantly keep on evolving as well. But that's a really good one to have actually. So that's really good, man. I'm really proud of it. Yeah.
Yeah, at least some part. We don't say like totally, because you're after that you will be throwing us on 100 comments on
Anyway,
top of that.
no, right? Quality. Like Shashank was saying, like 3-4 seconds of animation is also more enough to convey the creature behavior. Right? You don't need more than that. It's beautiful, man.
Like,
Good stuff. I think that's why we are all, in the same page, and we are all in the CW. Like, the quality makes us, combine.
What separates this Danu, like I'm saying this like really, I mean real stuff. Like I've been to another animation schools and that kind of stuff, but the amount of attention you give to each and individual, each and every student, like there's everyone's like you give one-on-one attention to each and everyone. Um, yeah, they're not left alone even after the workshop period ends. That I
Right,
mean,
right.
you try to give some offline reviews until the shots get done. Um, that is, I've never seen this in any other place. But that only comes if the person is intended to
Exactly.
help.
Oh,
That
okay, yeah,
only
okay. No. I feel like the person who is actually joining CW also, if they really like, I mean, like I give like thousands of comments, but other end, right? You guys has to receive it well as well sometimes. Sometimes,
Yeah, like it's never the doors closed kind of thing anyway. Like, after that, okay, the doors closed, no way to contact anyone. This is never like that. Like, you're so open to everyone. We can even be in touch with you. Like,
yeah, yeah.
yeah, that was the best thing. And yeah, I can relate to this. I can definitely relate to this.
Thanks, man. I'm really happy, like, other end of you guys are also actually take my feedback, really nice and well. And you're like, oh shit, there is another video, feedback. It's not like that. You actually take it positive and
There are
then
some
make sure.
times, man. There are some times,
Yeah,
definitely.
oh, fuck that, man. It's like, so many things, but I don't know, like, if that doesn't come back to me, then I would be like, okay, I'll put myself in a break. Like, okay, this is not really happening. And then maybe they're not liking it, or, they're like feeling it's like, fuck, this is torture, man,
Feels
So, but
like,
yeah.
when you say this is approved. I faced, I mean, I have this with my first shot. He said this is approved. Okay, after that I got another video feedback like we can pick this. Okay, done. After that my file name was approved underscore one. After that approved two. After that approved three. It went to like 10, I mean 10 versions of it. Like at that point I was like, okay.
Yeah, like, it is not approved, actually. He tricked me
Yeah,
into
yeah.
this.
It was the last stage of approval where he says approved, but yeah, it is not
So
approved
yeah,
yet.
if somebody says it's approved my shot, are you really sure? Like, when you get
What is the
everything.
version of your approval 1 or version 10? That was the
That's a
answer.
good one. Yeah,
Yeah.
what is the version of your approval?
Approval,
239. Oh, okay, that's
approved.
fine. Yeah. Cool, man. Thanks, guys. That's a really good one. Okay, next one. So, a journey with CW. So, what are the three best things you like about workshop, or you hated about the workshop, and for a throughout journey, like when you're doing the assignment, what are the three things you really like about it, like while you're working it?
Yeah. So my journey with CW is almost more than 1 year. I've been here from 2019 June, I think, and
You're a
yeah,
pillar here.
so from I think the level my animation reached after this 1 year is a steep linear curve, I think, in the graph editor. It was still going up. And the three best things which I like is, first thing, the mentor's attention to each and every individual, these things which I've already spoken. There is nothing special about hating, but there's only we need a CAW punching bag. I've been asking for this.
So when you get the comments like
When the
this one,
approval gets versions, we need that bag just to release our tension. But yeah, to be frank, this is the best place if you want to learn animation. Not just, I mean, people might think creature animation is different from character animation, but animation is animation. But after getting two creature animation shots or three, which is, I mean, it's also coming out. I feel like I can even handle the character animation much
Yeah.
better, way better than what I've done previously. So if there is any place you want to go to learn animation, this is the place, CAW, because I don't think anyone is as close to Dhanu or CAW in getting people understand animation. It's not like teaching animation. You don't teach animation. You train their eye, like to observe the details. So yeah, I've been observing a lot of details than what I've done previously. That's all because of you. So yeah, that's it. This is the best place to learn animation. If you have that kind of passion to learn, this is the place. Yes, it's
Great,
not
great.
like copying the reference like many
Exactly.
people say you are just rotoscoping. No, no, this is not at all rotoscoping. We actually bring the essence to our animation. It's not like every frame the same thing.
Yeah.
Unless you do, you don't get it. Like we don't copy stuff. We
Exactly.
copy just the body mechanics thing, and we even push beyond that with your help. Like it's a deal breaker.
Yeah,
Even
mainly like
even
we have to
the
make sure that it has to work around 360 degrees. We have only one part of reference. We don't
Sorry,
have.
this is the if I can interrupt you,
Yeah,
this
yeah,
is
please.
yeah, the thing which I can take away from CAW is working in 360 degrees. Like earlier I used to only animate to camera, but after CAW I used to work, even if when I got an interview like a test from another company, they asked me to give I mean 4 views, and I was already doing it, so there was no worry about it. So that was the best part, working in every view and making it look balanced in every pose and every frame. That's the best thing.
Would have been pain in the
Exactly.
beginning to make sure it working from every view, but once you're comfortable, and that will become your thing, your way of animating, and
Yeah,
you what do you call you don't have to what do you call come back and delete and do stuff. It's not looking in the good in the camera because already working well in every view. So you just need to
yeah.
post to camera. That's all right.
We
It's
no
the best
longer
thing.
worry about redo.
Exactly.
Earlier,
Yeah,
we used to feel like, okay, we have all whatever we've done was gone. Now we have a feeling like we're going to do better than what we've done previously.
Exactly.
That's the way we approach now because that's the only option you gave us.
well, that's the only way, also, right? If it
Yeah,
doesn't
yeah,
work, it
true,
doesn't
true.
work. And the second thing, that's a really good way of, try to develop our habits, good habits of animating, good ways of animating. So once you have those kind of good ways, we always tend to go for lazy and easy options, and we suffer and shit, the animation is not coming well. This is not really working well. So what should I do? Like, yeah, animate it right way. There is no other
Yeah,
way.
yeah,
I see so many people living with the mistakes for so many weeks, and they don't get output, and then they have to go back and so instead of that, that is a good way of practicing as well. That's how we know that it is not working. So how it will work? So the next version is like, okay, make it clean. So unless you do it in a dirty way, you don't know how the good version is going to look like when you actually animate in a clean way. So it is good, when you do mistakes, that's how you learn, right? That is a whole
yeah,
workflow. So
yeah.
awesome, guys. Thank you. That's a good one. Sweet. So yeah, that's good. And yeah, other people were saying about other things like did they like other people comments as well. Like while we are at in a class, you see other people are animating crocodile, you see other people animating car like cats and other guys. So you can still feel like whatever the comments I'm giving them. So whenever next time you animate those kind of creatures, you can understand like, okay, these things to be kept in mind. And that was really
True.
quite interesting to
So
club the batch.
another thing is like when compared to others, only workshop one guys would be in one room, like one meeting. Workshop two guys in one room. Workshop three guys in one room. Now here there'll be a mix of
All
everyone. One will be working on a T-Rex fight shot, and another is just limping in creature animation, learning it. So he can have a look at how he's all doing it.
Right.
That was so helpful. I mean, those insights were, you can never. This is like an over-the-shoulder look. Like you can see what he's actually doing, how he's doing all this kind of stuff, and how you're reacting to the bigger shots.
True,
So
true, true.
that would be
It's
a
very
good deal
intimidating
breaker.
when you
Yeah,
see like as some people like, oh, I don't think I can manage it. Like, no, no, you just have to do it. Just
yeah.
you
Unless you
you'll
jump
get there,
into
but
it.
eventually, but it's just a practice, right? But
Yeah.
Yeah, that was one of the other thing they mentioned as also, which is pretty good. Like now, I feel like combining everybody together rather just having separate batches doesn't work. It doesn't inspire them. I think when they come in new as a workshop 1 or workshop 2, when you see
Yeah.
the other guys also doing like workshop 3 or like other sequence, or maybe you are in week 1, other guys are in a week 11 or 12. When you see the quality, you're like, shit, I'm gonna go that quality in 11 weeks. That's gonna put some stress, but it's not about stress. It's about like seeing like where we are gonna go. Some people
Yeah.
doesn't know like how far they can push. So that's one of
You
the.
should not ask three things, and you should ask more than that, because there are two more things which I want to tell. There are no start dates and end date. I mean, end date is okay, fine. You're going to, however, end that shot, but there are no particular start dates. That doesn't stop anyone to get in touch and immediately get on to work. And the best part of CAW, I can say, is the community. Everyone are
Exactly.
extremely helpful.
Yeah.
Like everyone are extremely helpful. No matter what, you can ask anyone anything, and this is all kind of a family, CAW family kind of thing. Everyone is so supportive. That's
I'm
also the
I'm
best part.
really happy that I put everybody together. At the same time, you guys are holding the whole thing back together. Which is really good. I can just put introduce each other, say hello, but you guys are the one who is holding the CAW community, and even the older guys, the new guys, like everybody is helping each other. Just because
Yeah,
of, I think probably I picked the students quite nicely. I think
you created
everybody's
a
like quite
wonderful
passionate
community.
guys, right? So it's like people are really wanted to make some difference in the reels and in the community, and they wanted to learn the skills. I think that's
Yeah,
what I think really a true artist always welcomes everybody's feedback and always help to each other. I'm sure that's one of the finest qualities of artists. I think maybe
Yeah.
yeah,
other industry, I don't know how other designation people will work, but a real artist would be always happy to help and happy to take the feedback that everybody gives. I
yeah.
think so, and I always like to share the knowledge. I think, which is good. I'm really happy about that.
And Abhishek is like an animation director, and he even responds very quick. Like,
Exactly.
yeah, he gives you like he's also so helpful. Like, he's never like, I'm an animated director, you're just an animated junior. Get the hell out of here. Like, it's not like that. Like, he is also so good. He's so helpful. Like, you created the best community. It's not just learn, go. That it's not just like that. It's a beautiful community.
Yeah,
Even
Yeah,
after
even
finishing the
actually
workshop.
true. So now that brings to last but one question. So before CAW and after CAW, how would you see yourself? How it helped you like a better animator or a better person? Or what kind of changes you can see in your workflow, in your discipline? Like regular thing. Like how would you approach your approaching animation differently, reading differently? Anything that comes to your mind, like how it was before CAW and like how after CAW, how does CAW actually helped you, over the process?
Yeah, earlier definitely it was intimidating to approach a creature to animate. Now I'm not at all. I mean, I'm not scared to touch. I mean, anything like even if it is a not. I mean, if I am not comfortable or never animated that kind of creature, I'm confident to approach that, break it down into parts. Like uh, I'm not afraid anymore. Like I'm comfortable to start it, look at it, break it down. Yeah, there was so much of confidence built inside because of the. I need to share a story here if I could do.
Yeah, please, yeah.
Yeah, you know this, but during workshop one, I finished the 10 to 12 weeks of workshop, and after that, I
Oh
was
yeah.
left with a shitty animation, which looks worse than what I've done in week one, because I'm so new to creature animation. I've done something wrong on week one, and I've built on it, which is disastrous. And at the end, there's no shot for me. After everyone's having their own shot, and I'm not having a shot to showcase. So what you did there was a life change for me. I'm so thankful and grateful for you, even anytime, because you gave me 6 weeks of daily critique time offline or sometimes online. You never left me alone. You never thrown me away like, okay, your workshop is done. You're no more. Not that kind of stuff. You gave for 6 weeks. You stayed with me, like you critiqued me every day. That was that was out of the world, man. I think no one else can do that. And because of those 6 weeks, what I am now is because of those 6 weeks, not because of first workshop. Because I've done
Thank
it.
you.
I've done it. Something went wrong in it. I'm really happy that I did that wrong, because if I didn't do that wrong, I would
Yeah.
not be here. I
Know the
mean,
right stuff.
at this understanding level of animation, because those 6 weeks are the best thing in my life, or at least in my animation learning period. Those 6 weeks are the best, man, because you are with me all the time, even at nights, odd hours. I don't know. You need to stay late nights. That was wonderful experience, wonderful learning experience. Actually, I need to be. I'm so grateful for you. That I'm so grateful for
Oh,
you.
thanks, man. Thanks for the kind words. Really, really, that really, I saw that you are putting your soul into it, like the 12 weeks, and you did really push hard. And like I said, like the one demo could actually help Kishore and change his entire animation thing. The same thing I did, the same thing there. Like I see you are really picking up the good ways of animating, but your file is already messed up. You couldn't clean it up, and I see your intentions are good, and you see you needed a chance. So I'm like, anyway, I'm having a batch, so you are not really like heavy for me, obviously. So I thought like if I could help you for those couple of weeks and 3-4 weeks, and if you can able to show us really good outputs, if that really helps, then come on, I'm here to share the knowledge. So, and you are here to like uh, do a better job, but you can feel that you are learning, but you're not able to apply on the bad shot, so which is animated badly. So now I thought like but the second shot turned out to be really really sexy, man. Really the little bit, the baby elephant was really nice. And yeah, I mean, this is what we are here for, right? So my 4 weeks of time actually can help you to become a
Six
strong
weeks.
animator.
You gave me 6 weeks, man.
So 6 weeks, like
I can
imagine
never
if
forget
that
that.
can help you, and can change your animation way of thinking, and it gives you a good confidence in your career. So I'm okay. I'm really happy that I did it, and
That was the best learning phase for me. You literally, I mean, uh, train my eye to look at how things work. During that 6 weeks time, whatever I've learned in the first stages, I applied there, and from there, my understanding was so much better. And also, this is a small tip you given me earlier, like every student, but never totally went into it. But later, when I used that, like the controls on thing, that was it again, a game changer for me, because once I started understanding what's going wrong and where it is, you said that self-critiquing thing is helping in that way. So yeah,
yeah, that's a
only good
really
things
good
to
one
say.
actually. Yeah, good that you brought that up. Yeah, that watching the playbacks with the controls is one of the biggest thing. Yeah, if you could actually keep that in everyday life, watch playbacks with this one, and then you can you can cut down half of your time waste immediately by doing that actually.
Sure, sure.
Sometimes we
Yes.
are scared that we can't actually see our animation because there is so many clicks, and we can always avoid it. But once you start seeing from the beginning itself, you can cut down like overall like half of the time wasting.
Yeah, people talk about asking others workflows, tips, kind of thing. This is the best tip you can ever give. Like, you can just turn on your controls and take a play blast. Fine, done. You know what's wrong with it.
Exactly. Yeah, you don't need somebody to tell you. That's a good one.
Yeah,
Yeah, that's a good one. I completely.
and also the people who are getting into CW are also as passionate as Kishore, because you see, they're willing to put in to make their shots or demo reel better. They're making time instead of excuses.
Yeah, exactly.
That's
Yeah.
the difference.
Yeah, making time instead of making excuse. That's a good one.
Yeah,
Yeah, because we know that everybody needs a good shot. Everybody needs a really good life, but nobody wants to put in the
puts
work
in
and
the
the
effort.
time.
Yeah.
So if you can do that, I think it's the easiest job. It's nothing. I mean, like it's gonna take some time, and it's a bit of discipline getting up in the morning, like Kishore and you. So that really helps you. Like that's how you like. Life is never easy, right? So always gives you trouble, problems all the time. So instead of
Yeah.
complaining that, if you can actually sleep faster, like Arnold says, sleep fast. Yeah.
Yeah.
That's all right. Not 8 hours, 10 hours. No, sleep fast. 4 hours, 5 hours is enough, and then put the extra 2-3 hours. On. I think 3 hours of animation. Like if you sit down like to 1 hour a day, lunchtime animation would actually change your life in 1 year. Within 1 year, you will have like 6-7 fantastic shots. If you animate 1 hour a day, and that's an addiction. It won't stop at 1 hour, so you would go for at least 2-3 hours, which is really good. You might as well, I'm here, like let me wake up early, or spend a little bit time, and do some really good work and then leave. So yeah, I think it's the same thing. If you can start with like 1 hour a day, and then whatever you're doing like every day, like 3 hours, 4 hours in the morning, that's the best thing anyone could actually. Basically, we are helping ourselves, right? That's all. So some people are like, oh, I don't have time. Like, okay, if that suits you, please carry on doing that.
Yeah,
You
you need to make time instead of because just thought of another point. And in the beginning, you used to you need to take a demo for every, not a demo. I think there was just a talking session,
intro session.
some which goes on, yeah, intro session. It goes on for something like 45 minutes to 1 hour. I literally have never seen anyone doing that. Some people might get into CAW even after intro or might not, but that was a totally different experience. You are directly onto that student, asking and talking about his strengths or weaknesses. You're evaluating his demo reel and asking him to get into the proper workshop according to his skill level. And yeah, people will tell you to go to this workshop by just looking at your reel. But the amount of time you give, even before the workshop, even he pays you even a single penny, that shows your passion towards animation. You're a beast. And also, the reason I wake up at 4 o'clock or 4:30 is because I remember you said a word. If you delay your work by a day, your dream job is a day. Your dream job gets delayed a day.
Yeah,
If you
exactly.
waste 1 month of time, your job gets delayed. Not job, I mean the good
Yeah,
days will
yeah.
be getting delayed a month. So whenever the alarm wakes up, I don't want to delay my good days. So I just immediately don't
That's a
hit that
good one, man.
snooze.
That's a good one. That's a
That
good
I
one.
don't want to hit that snooze. I just want to wake up and
You're
hit the
snoozing your
animation
good
bell.
life. You're
I don't
snoozing
want to
your
snooze my good
better
day.
job
Yeah,
waiting
yeah.
for you there.
There are
That's a good
few
one,
good
man.
lines, man. They always linger in my brain. That's
Thanks, man.
so
That's
many
a good
good
one.
things, man. So many good
I'm
things.
really happy that that you guys are actually following, listening things like whatever I said. So which is really good and very inspiring. Thanks,
A
guys.
mentor to guide you in the right direction.
And the mentor
Yeah.
That's the main thing, because
and a punching
no
bag.
matter no matter how hard you try, how hard you fall, you always keep animate. And if there is someone to point you out, like this is where you're going wrong, like the demos you do or the feedback you give, like the mentorship you provide, basically, um, we people need some kind of mentorship like this, like what you're doing, to go further in their
Bit more
animation.
efficient way of
Yeah,
learning.
yeah, definitely. Because if there is no, that laser light there, that's wrong. You need to do this. I don't see there will be improvement, but would be delayed so much. But yeah, this is another kind of deal.
When you have the whip behind you,
Yeah, yeah, that's kind of
and a
yeah,
punching bag. You need a punching bag as well for
yeah,
the
yeah,
comments. Like when you see the
yeah.
comments, like again one more comment, one more
No,
video.
that
That's
punching
gonna
that
eat my 1 week time now.
that punching bag is only needed when the last stages, like approval version 1, approval version 20, version 40. Like I've seen blogging version 40s, flying 40. There is no approval 40, man. This is the first time.
You should see this guy, Prasad. He was like 300 and something approval watch or something.
Yeah,
Awesome.
yeah.
Man. Awesome, guys. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot for
Yeah.
your time. And oh yeah, there's one more last question. So, would you recommend CAW?
There is no
And
point in asking
There
this, I
is,
think.
yeah, there is no second chance.
There is no point in asking if we get recommend or not. I have just said that there is a, if at all you want to learn, not just character animation, if you want to learn animation, just get in here.
man, thank you. And any advice to the animators like you guys, who is working with CAW or planning to join CAW or not CAW, who are working on the personal shots? What advice would you give to those guys?
I only say that you don't get intimidated looking at CAW shots, or whether if this workshop is for you or not, because whoever came in, when I came in, I was so afraid, like everyone is doing a great job with their creatures, and I was like, if I can do it or not. And now I'm having almost 3 shots with me. So everyone starts on the same place, but it's different based on your effort, the way you take feedback. But yeah, no need to get afraid. That's the thing. Yeah, but you need to get afraid and put the time, so that you don't get afraid looking at it the other time.
So, true.
Yeah.
For those people who doesn't have mentors and who are really doing their personal things, and what advice would you give as an animator to fellow animator, without CAW, CAW or not CAW?
I would definitely give your two best tips, like work in 360 degrees, make your poses balanced, and controls on play blast. Those will be the golden tips, I think. There would be never a better tip, I think. And get yourself better at body mechanics. And no, this is not a paid thing.
That's
Not a paid sponsorship.
not a paid thing, you know. This is
Yeah, we are not getting paid to say
we're
all
not
these good
actors.
words. Yeah, we are just saying this because we you can share my story or any other stories with the first day play blast and my baby elephant, or even any other people who struggle. Like even Rahul did a great job with baby elephant, like how he struggled, and now also with bull. So we both relate to each other, like how we struggled so hard in the beginning and comfortable now.
Yeah,
So
exactly.
this is not a paid thing.
Cool, man. Thanks, guys. Thanks a lot, guys. Yeah, thanks for
Yeah,
being here, and
thank you so much.
thanks for sharing. And you know, I really admire that you guys actually, when I hear from your words, that is really satisfying. You know, I'm gonna be super
Yeah.
high today. Get drunk tonight. You know, I didn't drink from past 2 weeks. Now I'm gonna get drunk today after listening your words.
You
But
should
really,
be
really
proud. You
inspiring.
should be proud of yourself.
Yeah,
You
man.
did a
Really,
great
this
job.
is the
You did a
Exactly.
main
great
goal
job.
of me being entering into, you know, teaching and, you know, trying to, this is what I wanted to build a community, and this is what I wanted to inspire people. This is how I wanted to change the way how we think animation. You know, everybody teaches tools and softwares, but nobody teaches the art, you know. And with the art, it's kind of, you know, understand, you know, self-motivating yourself, and, you know, try to get into those discipline to make it work, you know, things work for you. And you are in a position to able to inspire other people and share some knowledge with other people. That's one of the best thing I wanted to see in the community. And I think I already have the community like you guys. You're gonna grow with the same mentality, like, you know, keep sharing your knowledge. Don't, you know, try to, you
Yeah.
know, keep it down or keep the secret. There is no secret ingredient, you know, just
Just
animate.
effort, effort, effort.